What's up, party people? And today I have a screen protector for the Pixel tablet. That's right. This is a beautiful, beautiful device, as you can see here. But you want to protect your screen or your display. I recommend a case, but I also recommend a screen protector. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful device. So make sure you protect it. Now I picked this up from Amazon. You guys can pick it up there on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Also that like button and subscribe to the channel. But you guys can pick this up. Very affordable screen protector, and it comes with, I believe, it's a 3-pack. So you'll be able to pick it up. Now that doesn't say Limp Bizkit. That says IMBZBK, and it doesn't say MKBHD. It says IMBZBK, and you can pick it up from Amazon. But we're gonna see how this looks. You know, it's supposed to have good sensitivity, high transparency, anti-scratch, bubble-free, and anti-fingerprint. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and I'm gonna show you how to install this, so that it's gonna be fairly easy, but they do have some guides in here that are gonna make it very, very simple. Just gonna take it out of the box, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab one of the screen protectors, and then we're gonna grab some of the accessories. So we'll need a little of this, we'll need a little of this, and I think that's all we're gonna need for now. Put that to the side. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna turn off your tablet. You gotta wipe it down with the alcohol swab and do all that good stuff. So you're gonna go ahead and hit that power button up here. Then hit power off. Power that bad boy down. Then you're gonna take your wet wipe. Comes with a wet wipe, also a microfiber cloth, and a like sticky thing so you can take all the dust off. So you're just gonna grab this bad boy. It makes it very convenient. Comes with 2 of these inside the pack. Go ahead and wipe down your tablet. Obviously, because when you first get it, you use it a lot because it is a pretty cool tablet. So you go ahead and wipe it down. Then you take your microfiber cloth, very little one. If you got a bigger one laying around, I would recommend it, but we're gonna use this for the sake of the video because that's what comes with the screen protector. So go ahead and wipe it down. It's kind of like doing a gigantic phone. So if you've done a phone, you probably know how to do that. Then you take your little dust absorber sticker. I guess that's what they technically call it on the market. And then you're just gonna kind of make sure there's no dust anywhere. For you that are very particular about this, this is an important step. So make sure you get all your dust off your device. And then you're going to grab your screen protector, which is here, and then you have a sticker here. So you're going to go ahead and pull this off, and this will be the sticky part. You try not to get any of your fingers on the inside if you can, and then you just kind of fit it on there. It's not the most easy. You kind of try to make it even on both sides. You can move it around a little bit from side to side. If not, just lift it up. You kind of want to make sure you're even on both sides. And then the top, you want to leave space for the camera. I think that looks pretty good. I wish they did have guides. Now hit the center. And then they give you this bad boy here so that you can, but you're just gonna let it kind of go through the whole thing. I wish it did have guides on each side so you could kind of plop it down. But you saw how I had to kind of do it. But it's not that hardcore. It's not a big deal. You do have a bubble here. So we're gonna go ahead and get that out. Got one here on the edges. And that's it. You kind of just get your bubbles out with your squeegee. Yeah, see, this one is still, may have to come here. Then you wipe it down with your microfiber cloth. Now, I will say this, that the company did email me and tell me that they don't go all the way to the edge. So take that into consideration when you're buying this. that it does leave some on the edges, which I don't think is a big deal, but just so you know, a disclaimer, it doesn't go all the way to the edge. As you can see there, it got kind of close on each side and on each top, so I thought it was pretty symmetrical. We're gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy back on. Google, right there. You see la cámara. All right. Well, I thought it was a pretty good install. As you can see, leave space for your camera. Doesn't go all the way to the edge, but I think it's a good screen protector. It's solid. You get 3 of them for under 15 bucks. Drop down in the description, you'll be able to pick it up. Here it is. Yeah, man. And like I said, it's protector from scratches, not cracks, but scratches, but it does protect your device, because you don't want to grab this, pick it up, and then bring it home, get it scratched up. So this way you can kind of, you know, hold it around, take it with you wherever you're going to be. I have this little stand here that I picked up. I don't even remember. I'll leave a link down in the description if I find it. But yeah, just put it like that and you're good to go, man. That is the IMBZBK screen protector. How to install it, pretty simple, but you got to protect your Pixel tablet. Highly recommend it. But that's going to do it, man. Thanks for watching the video. Talk to you later. Peace.